Hey boys and girls, and welcome back to How to Rock Second Grade with Miss Hal. And today we are going to be doing arithmetic pages 288 all the way to page 291. If you're following along in a backup, that is lesson 144 all the way to lesson 146. Are you ready, boys and girls? I'll give you a moment, let you grab your books. Wonderful job, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and we're going to page 288. Ooh, are we ready? Now, for this section in math, you're going to need to do a whole lot of thinking. Are you ready to think? Think. Then what should you have on your head? You got it. Your thinking capsule. Let's grab it. Let's put it on. Let's secure it nice and tight. And let's get ready to work hard. Be diligent and be excellent stewards of our education. Number 1 on page 288. Write the sums and differences. What does that tell us, boys and girls? We're going to be doing what? Adding and subtracting. And we're going to be carrying and borrowing in some of these problems. Let's go ahead and finish those. 8 plus 9 is 17. 12 plus 8 is 20. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 minus 2, 15. Oh, now we get to the borrowing. Are you ready? 27 minus 9. I'll wait for you. Ooh, that looks good. Because, I know. I borrowed from the 2, did you? I turned that 7 into a 17, and I got 17 minus 9 is 8, and 1 minus 0 is 1, so my answer is 18. What about you? Awesome job. 38 plus 9. Ooh, 8 plus 9 is 17. Did you carry that 1 over to the 2? No, to the 3, excuse me. You did. Okay, so I got 7 carry 1, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So my answer is 47. Do you have 47? Excellent job, boys and girls. Let's go to the very last one. I borrowed from the 2. I made that 0 into a 10. So now I have 10 minus 6 equals 4. Very good. And 1 minus 0 is 1. That gives me the answer of 14. Woo! Wow! You're doing a great job. All right. Mark under the correct answer. Mark NH if the answer is not here. You get it? NH, not here. Very good. 7 plus 8 is 15. Very good. Ooh, letter B. 50 plus 32 plus 27 equals 109. You are so smart. Oh, how do I get this answer? That's right. I do 13 minus 5. And 13 minus 5 is 8. So 8 plus 5 equals 13. Very good, class. 50 minus 30. 20. Correct. 731 minus 126. Let's look at these answers very carefully. Did you find an answer that looks like it goes there? Let's look again. I got not here. Did you get not here? Me too, because I can't find my answer over here. Let's look at the letter F. 12 times 5. 60. Correct. Ooh, that's a good one. Do I find my answer for letter G? 8? 10? 12? I guess it's just not here. Let's go to letter H. 7 plus 8 plus 3. 7 plus 8 plus 3. It's not 19. It's 18. Did you get 18? Boys and girls, give yourselves a high five. You are on a roll, boys and girls. Let's go to page 289. On page 289, we start with something that Miss Howe just loves to do. We're starting with the parameter. The parameter means we're adding all the sides. And we have 10 feet plus 10 feet plus 8 feet. 28 feet. Give yourselves a high five, class. Awesome job. Let's look at number 2. Number 2, do you remember your measurements? 1 year equals how many months? 12. 1 gallon equals how many quarts? 4. 1 yard equal how many inches? 36. And 1 meter equals how many centimeters? 100. Awesome job, boys and girls. Now let's look at some products. What is a product? The product is the answer to a multiplication question. Are you ready? Let's look at these questions. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. And 9 times 5 is 45. 2 times 2 is 4. 6 times 2 is 12. 10 times 2 is 20. 3 times 10 is 30. 7 times 10 is 70. 11 times 10 is 110. 4 times 0 is 0. 8 times 0 is 0. 12 times 0 is 0. Any number times 0 is 0. Awesome job, class. Isn't that one just so easy? 0, 0, 0, 0. Any number times 0 is 0. Number 4. Mark the time. Ooh, what time is it? I got 3:55, and they said it's in the afternoon. So afternoon means it's p.m. So 3:55 p.m. Good job, boys and girls. Now let's go ahead and write the sum. We're adding it. We're going to add and we're going to carry. Are we ready? I'm going to wait for you. What answer did you get? Did you get 89,242? You did? Then you did really good. Let's look at number 6. I'm going to read the story to you, and you can listen really well. Are you ready to listen? Awesome. The temperature at the bottom of the mountain is 7 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature at the top of the mountain is 28 degrees Fahrenheit. How many degrees colder is it at the top than it is at the bottom of the mountain? That tells me I'm going to have to subtract. This is a subtraction question. Go ahead and subtract. What are your two numbers? 70 minus 28. Very good. And what is your answer? Did you say 42? Boys and girls, you are just awesome. Wonderful, wonderful job. Let's go to page 290. On page 290, we're going to start with a story. Are you ready? Grandma and Grandpa drove the children up Trail Ridge Road, where there is a snack and gift shop near the top of the mountain. Ready? Now, number 1. How much change did each person receive? Let's go ahead and subtract. We have $5 and they spent $3. How much money did they get back? Well, that's pretty simple. Think about it. 5 minus 3. They got back $2. Okay? Then they had $15 and they spent $11. How much change did they get back? That's right, $4. Letter C. They had $20. They spent $17. How much change did they get back? $3. Good job, boys and girls. Number 2. Number 2 says, mark the number under the correct amount of change each person received. Letter A. Jenny paid $10 for a book that cost $6. 10 minus 6 equals 4. So she got back $4. Grandpa paid $20 for a hat that cost $15. $20 minus $50 equals $5. He got back $5. You did excellent, boys and girls. Number 3. The gift shop and visitor center is 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 700 plus 90 plus 8 feet above sea level. Whoa. Do you know what number that is? 11,798. You are correct. Now let's look at the dot card with all these beautiful stars and let's write that number down. 12,183 feet above sea level is the highest point on Trail Ridge Road. Boys and girls, you are doing such an excellent job. Pat yourself on the back. Go ahead and roll over to page 291. Okay, on page 291, we're starting with a story. Are you ready? On the trip to Grand Canyon, have you been to the Grand Canyon? I actually flew over the Grand Canyon last summer on my way to school in Arizona. On the trip to the Grand Canyon, Marco's family stopped for a snack. Marco's drink cost 79 cents. His crackers cost 20 cents less than his drink. Let's subtract. We're going to subtract 79 cents minus 20 cents, and we're going to equal with 59 cents. That is correct. How much did Marco's snack cost altogether? Now we're going to add the 79 cents and the 59 cents, and how much money did he spend? He spent $1.38. Awesome job, boys and girls. Woo! Number 2. Number 2 is something we have been talking about all week. Estimating. We're going to estimate the sums. To estimate the sums, we got to do what? That's right. We have got to round these numbers to the nearest 10. Okay. The closest one to 13 is 20. And the closest one to 79 is 80. So 80 plus 20 equals. But we have a problem, boys and girls. If we add, that's right, you're correct. We're going to round that answer, and that answer is going to come closer to 90. No, it's not closer to 80. It's closer to 90. 32 plus 42, what's the answer?
2.
Is it closer to 70 or 80? That's right, it's closer to 70. 25 plus 15, is it closer to 50 or 40? That's right, it's closer to 50. Ooh, let's go to number 3. Round to the nearest tens. 37 is closer to 40. 25 is closer to 30. And 41, 40. 78, 80. Good job. Number 4. I'm going to wait while you go ahead and write the differences. Very good, boys and girls. Now let's go to number 5. Add 9 to each number. 7 plus 9 is 16. 5 plus 9 is 14. 8 plus 9 is 17. 9 plus 9 is 18. And 6 plus 9 is 15. Awesome job. Let's go to number 6. We're multiplying by 2. 10 times 2 is 20. 4 times 2 is 8. 12 times 2 is 24. 3 times 2 is 6. And 11 times 2 is 22. Boys and girls, give yourself a pat on the back. And another pat. A high five for a job well done. Thank you all for learning with me this afternoon. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Bye.